How to get a voided check from Chase app. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to get a voided check from Chase app. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. So here are some of the few steps that I have listed. So first of all, you need to make sure to access Chase account online through their website, that is www.chase.com, or the Chase mobile app. And then make sure to log in or sign in. After that, locate the customer service or help section. Now look for the option to request a voided check or account information. Then you have to follow the on-screen instruction to submit your request. Then after a while, you will typically receive the voided check via email or physical mail within a few business days. Once done, you will get a voided check from Chase app. So that is the way you can apply to get a voided check from the Chase app. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.